We're joined by Bossier attorney Whit Graves. I can't thank you enough for joining us today. You have actually filed a lawsuit, is that accurate, to try to stop the Walmart?
Yeah, this is a result of Sam Marsiglia informing me that the final approval for the zoning changes and all the amendments to that for the Walmart will be sent to the Bossier City Council instead of the Bossier Parish Police Jury.
Why should it be the police jury?
At the time that Bossier City brought, there's a 30-day delay in the city passing an ordinance to bring the property into the city limits. And at the time that the NPC voted to allow those changes, that area where Walmart wants to build was actually still outside of the city limits. The city limits ordinance changing that did not come into effect until July 16th. The NPC voted back in June to allow it. So at that time, that land was still outside the city limits.
Mr. Whit, I don't think I'm misspeaking to say that the end game here is to stop the Walmart from being built. Why is it such a bad idea?
Well, because of the fact that Walmart wants to build in the hub of a circle that is the outside circle is 5 subdivisions. It doesn't meet with the master plan that was envisioned for Airline Drive in North Bossier Parish to place something of that magnitude in the center. The master plan calls for strip malls, convenience stores, places like CVS, the banks, that will only go back about 100 yards off of the main highway. Walmart's taking 33 acres.
Assuming for the moment that your lawsuit would be successful and that you could have the decision-making process turned back over under the aegis, if you will, of the Bossier Police Jury, are you sure they would side with you and shoot the whole thing down?
No, I'm not. What I'm seeking is a more concentrated effort in investigating the impact that it will have on that area. The police jury may vote, yes, Walmart can come in right there, but we expect some concessions if it does vote that way of, say, where the water drainage is going to go, where the lighting is going to be, whether or not they're going to be able to sell liquor. A lot of people don't realize that there's already purchased land on the north side of Wimple Road between Airline Drive and North Brownlee or Old Brownlee for a multi-use trail, recreational area for kids to ride their bicycles from Lakewood subdivision, Rosedale subdivision, to get over to the park that's on Old Brownlee Road there at the north side of Bossier.
Mr. Whit, pardon me just a second. Walk me through this because I'm not up to speed with you. Explain to me what the difference is between the Walmart being approved by the police jury or the Walmart being approved by the city of Bossier.
I think there would be more in-depth investigation of the traffic problems, the crime problems, and the water runoff problems that would be caused by paving that 33-acre area.
It looks like this is going to be on the fast track. How did you manage that to get a ruling on this by the 28th?
By law, Louisiana law, a mandamus, which this is a mandating that the government official follow the law and do what they're supposed to do. It has to be held no sooner than 2 days before the government official is notified of it, and no more than 10 days. That's by law.
Would you be acceptable to the Walmart in North Bossier a little further out, somewhere else? What are your thoughts?
We shop at Walmart. My wife and I shop at Walmart all the time. I welcome a Walmart in the North Bossier Parish area, but I don't believe that it should be in the center of all of these subdivisions. If they'd have found someplace that is a more accessible and less traffic problem and water problem than where they're choosing, I don't have any problems with that at all.
So if the police jury eventually okays the Walmart on that site, even with additional study, you would or would not be willing to embrace that Walmart location?
I don't know that I would embrace it because I still think it's going to bring a lot of crime to the neighborhood that surrounds it.
I'm sorry, what was the word you used?
cry. I don't know that I would embrace it.
No, you said crime. Go ahead.
Yeah, crime. The Walmart in Bossier City now is the number one crime scene for the city. Sheriff Prater has already commented about the use of his personnel making more calls at the new Blanchard Walmart. Criminals go to where there are soft targets, where there are a lot of people, where they can blend in. That's any big conglomeration. That's not just Walmart. That's malls. That's any large shopping area. Criminals are going to go to it. They're going to look for cars that are unlocked. They're going to look for people that leave their purses sitting on the shopping carts, things of that nature. That spreads into the neighboring neighborhood.